Immigration enforcement like this is being seen in different cities across the country.
Clearly, immigration is a priority of this administration.
The enforcement, a campaign promise from now President Donald Trump. I sat down with San Diego County Sheriff Kelly Martinez in her office to talk about immigration procedures and their role in the federal crackdown.
We follow state law. The SB 54 has been in place for a while now. Trust Act, Truth Act, Values Act, all of those things were in place long before this administration, and we follow that. Local law enforcement doesn't enforce immigration.
SB 54 says local law enforcement or local resources will not be used to investigate, detain, detect, or arrest persons for immigration enforcement purposes. The sheriff's office has a notice about what they can and can't do posted on its website. Martinez tells me she hasn't been contacted by immigration, customs, and enforcement agents about any local actions. However, she says local, state, and federal partners do meet regularly.
What have they told you that they've been are going to do or have been doing in our community?
Yeah, so a lot of it I think is just misinformed. Border Patrol's not sitting in front of schools waiting to enforce immigration. They're not walking around hospital corridors and things like that. They're out actively targeting criminal immigrants that they're interested in deporting.
Have you been asked by ICE and DHS to have deputies do such actions?
No, but I do know that generally there is an interest in adding to the workforce of ICE and some of the work that they're doing. In San Diego County, I won't be participating in law enforcement actions enforcing immigration.
Why is that?
It's not my authority, and I honestly, as a sheriff, I have enough to do. I have my own responsibilities and priorities. My primary mission is community safety, and that's maintaining the jails and a number of other things.
One area of concern from immigration advocates has been people already detained in county jails. Martinez says people may be asked about their birthplace, but not immigration status. She also says if ICE asks for their release date, the state law is very clear.
I have to make sure that that individual qualifies under state law with a qualifying conviction. Those are things like rape, robbery, murder, domestic violence, drug trafficking, those types of crimes. If they don't meet one of those qualifying convictions in their history, then I don't give ICE their release date.
And I guess when those individuals are apprehended by DHS or ICE in immigration enforcement, for folks who may be undocumented, where are they going? Are they going to a federal holding facility, or are they going to our jails?
They go to a federal holding facility. We don't hold immigrant detainees in my jail.
Is there any way that would change?
No.
Ryan Hill, ABC 10 News.